Hello everyone, welcome to Hema's Home and Garden USA. This video is about what's blooming in my garden in the month of April. The first one you are seeing here is my gorgeous clematis. So this plant I bought as a rooted plug from my local Walmart for $5, and it grew so much in the last 1 year, and this year, as you can see, it's completely covered in blooms. I feed Miracle Grow once or twice in a year, and that's it. And next one that's growing underneath the clematis is the beautiful Dutch iris. You can see this Dutch iris looks so much different than the other irises you see commonly. Nevertheless, they are gorgeous. And here what you see is the buttercup, or you can call it ranunculus. So it's such a gorgeous flower. Look at the number of petals it has. So many layers of petals, and it keeps blooming continuously. See, 5 blooms at once in one single plant. The way the petals are fluttering in the wind, it's so beautiful. It's incredible to watch. And the next one you see here is the red salvia. So I read so many good things about these flowers. So I thought, why not give it a try and grow this? So although it's not a perennial flower for our zone, I'm going to try to keep it alive for the next year. Let's see how it goes. These are beautiful, aren't they? On the other side of the yard, I have this beautiful azalea plant. Trust me, when I bought this plant, I really did not expect the plant to bloom like this. I bought this in 2019 during the same springtime, but last year during the spring, the plant did not bloom like this. Although it had few flowers, I was thinking like, why is my azalea not blooming like other people's? But this year, it just bloomed beyond my expectation. So gorgeous, and it's very hard to find the leaves in the plant. It's completely covered in blooms. I'm so happy I invested in this plant. And here is my another beautiful clematis. It's a different variety. This is the very first clematis I bought. So this was bought in 2018. So it has been complete 3 years it is in the ground. It dies in the winter and comes back every spring. And the color, the way it blooms profusely, it's mind-blowing. On the other side here, around the tree, I have some tulips and ajuga. This looks without any blooms right now, but it was completely covered in blooms 10 days back. Let's see that. These blue blooms that you see here are the ajuga blooms. So even though ajuga is grown as a ground cover, these blooms once a year every April, and the blooms look so beautiful. The camera actually do not do any justice to the actual beauty of these ajuga blooms. These are so beautiful. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching these flowers as much as I did. Thank you all for watching.